Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Julia and we are doing a get ready with me for work. Um, Today's Friday and it's around like 2 o'clock. Um, I'm trying to get out the house a little earlier. I have to go see my sister, I have to go by the bank, I have to do some errands. So we're going to get out the house, get ready real quick. It's going to be a quick one. But before we do, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you guys like hauls, get ready with me, makeup, girly things, make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, like this video, comment down below, tell me how you're doing today. And yeah, we will just go ahead and jump right into it. And I'll just talk about just whatever comes to mind while I do my makeup. But I'm going to have my sip of coffee. I have this mug from TJ Maxx. It's a Ray Dunn mug from the Valentine's Day collection, and it just says #love. So I love me some coffee. I did stop drinking coffee for a while, and I started drinking like tea, and I jumped back on the coffee train. I may cut back again because I do feel like a difference in my body when I do drink coffee, so I may switch back to tea. I'm not sure yet, but I'm working on one thing at a time, you guys. I also recently just quit smoking. I smoked cigarettes for a very long time, and I've stopped several times, and now I've just decided I'm just going to stop it all the way completely and quit. And the way I do it cold turkey. It's the only way I can do it. It's cold turkey. I don't think about it. I don't wean myself off of it. I'm not going to say that it's easy. Of course, it's hard, but I just don't. I try my best not to think about it. And then when I do get upset or whatever, I kind of, like I said, try to think of other things. We are going to prime our face today. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I am missing a nail, so if you guys see that, I was at work yesterday and it popped off. So it happens. Alright, we're just going to put this on some of our face, not everywhere, just here and there. And like I said, I'm in a little bit of a rush today because I have to go see my sister. Like I said, she's going out of town for work for a few months, so I want to go see her and spend a little bit of time before I got to go to work. She leaves Sunday and I'm working every day until Sunday. So, and we have different schedules. Of course, I'm a night shift and she's day shift. So, next we're going to use our concealer from CoverGirl True Blend in the shade Golden Natural. Just our regular routine, makeup routine. I'm probably going to go to CVS to see what they have new on my way to go see my sister. So I'll pop in. Maybe I'll pick up a couple of new items, makeup items. Just because I haven't bought any new makeup in a while and I want to try it. And since you guys are liking these videos, I'm pretty sure it gets boring seeing me use the same products. We could try some new. But, yeah, so back to what I was saying about the smoking addiction. Yeah, I have to do it cold turkey, you guys. And like I said, I've quit several times. And I was smoked from the time I was 14. I was 14 and then I'm 40 now. That's a long time. But it's all a mind thing. It's a mind over matter. You put your mind to something, you can do it. So you have to give yourself, like, well, I give myself self-encouragement and just keep myself occupied. I think that's the main key, is to really not think about it and just stay focused on something else and something positive. You know, replace a bad habit with a good habit. I think that's main key for me. Positivity. And then also thinking about, like, okay, I could save so much more money on not buying cigarettes, and I could go out and I could go buy me something else that will actually last a long time than a pack of cigarettes. A pack of cigarettes may last, what, 2 days or so? But, okay, we got our concealer down, and then we're going to powder our face with some Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade beige, natural beige. And it's what it looks like. You know, I might get some new powders and stuff like that because I am running low. We could try some of the new stuff. And then I probably want to get like a lighter shade. I don't know. It's about to be summertime. And I get dark in the summer. My mother's skin tone. My mom's from Thailand. So I got her skin complexion. My dad's white American. Got Irish, English, Russian, Dutch, all that jazz. So our face is powdered, and we're gonna put just a little bit of color into our cheeks. And you guys, I still haven't done anything to my eyebrows. It's really bothering me, but they're not looking too bad. I mean, they're looking pretty bushy, but not too bad. Here he comes. Every time I record. Can I help you? Well, pretty much every time I record. If my son's not here, he jumps up and he wants to be, you know, noticed. My son's here. My son's playing with him. So, you guys, I don't know where my blush is, or I just can't see it. There it is. We're using Milani and Romantic Rose. That's what it looks like. It's a real pretty mauve color. Swirl that on. So yeah, nothing fancy. Of course, we're just going to work. Just want to look awake. Yesterday, we were pretty busy. So, and then we're going to just set our face. And I'm using the Hard Candy Glow That's what it looks like. I picked it up from Dollar Tree. I might go back to Dollar Tree and do some like hygiene shopping and see what they got new. We do have a new Dollar Tree that's like right up the road from us. They closed one of the little smaller ones that they had. It was in like a Kroger parking lot. And now they made like a really bigger one, and it's across the street. And then they shut down the little one. But I haven't been to it yet. I know it's opened, but I haven't been there yet, and I may go Monday just to see what kind of hygiene stuff they have, because it's a really big store. And yeah, I'm curious to see what they have. Since it's been a while since I've been to Dollar Tree. I've been obsessed with like Burlington and TJ Maxx and stuff like that, so it'll be good to see what they have at Dollar Tree. It's new. So, we're going to curl our lashes with the Sassy and Chic eyelash curler, which I need a new one. I might pick another one up from Dollar Tree. These work so well curling my lashes. All right. So we're going to use some mascara, and I need some new mascara too. I think that's another thing I might pick up. From Maybelline Lash Sensational. I do like the Essence Lash Princess. I may go get another one of those because I think I have one, but I don't think it's much left in it. I know there ain't much left in this mascara. It's like barely coming out. But yeah, you guys, it's almost my Friday. I'm super excited about it. I have one more day to go. I just love the 3-day work week, because like I worked yesterday and it was like my Monday, and then now today I'm like, I got one more day to go, and it feels so good to be like, okay, my work week's almost over. Even though 12 hours is a long time in a day, that's like half your day at work. But it goes by so quick. And your body adjusts. Like at first, oh gosh, you guys, I was struggling. I was struggling. But I've always been a night owl, so it wasn't really like the time or anything, like having to stay awake. It was the work. The amount of work that I have to do. Because at this warehouse, it's different from my old warehouse that I worked at. I used to work at a different warehouse in Atlanta for Amazon. And it was a sort center. And this center is a fulfillment center. Totally different warehouses. One warehouse, the first warehouse was like the warehouse that like your package has arrived, where we scan it in and we let you know, hey, your package is here, and then it gets shipped off to the post office. That was a better warehouse to me. It was, for my liking. This warehouse, I have nothing bad to say about it or anything. I have nothing bad to say about Amazon at all. I'm just saying my personal preference of work. This one's pretty hard, you guys. I mean, it's physical. What I do, I stow is what it's called, where I scan the package and I put it in the little robots, the bins and stuff. And you gotta go fast too. Like, I scan a lot. In 4 hours, like, I've scanned almost 1,200 items. That's a lot. That's like 300 items in an hour. And they're not always small items. They could be big items. But, oh, my nose is running, you guys. Allergies. It's coming that time. But this is the final look. We're going to throw some chapstick on. We are using from Moroccan Magic, just this peppermint, eucalyptus, argan essential oil chapstick. We're going to throw that bad baby on. We're going to call it a day. We're going to go grab something to eat at my mom's house and see my sister and go to work. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys like this quick little short get ready with me. And Monday I will see you in the stores. We're going to go shopping and we're going to do a haul and we're going to do all that fun stuff. And then Wednesday and Saturday we'll do the get readies again. And I hope you guys are liking it, and me and my little chitty chatty self. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I appreciate it. And I'll see y'all Monday. Bye, guys.